Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This set here is the Funhole Castle on the Cliff. It looks very interesting. I love the look of it, very medieval, and it shows you here that you get a set of lights in this set, which is what I really like. So let's try and open this box up. Hang on, which way do you open it? Down here. Let's open it up and take a look what we get in this set. So a nice instruction booklet here. The feel of the paper is very good quality and something's fallen out. Oh, we have some stickers. So a few stickers in this set. At least they're nicely packaged so they don't get damaged. Take a look through here. So it's just a little bit about the company and how this set came about, and the instructions look pretty detailed, very clear. In this bag here are all the lights. So Funhole sets actually include the lights with it, which is great. You don't have to buy separate lights, so they're all integrated into the set, which I really like. So you do it step by step, you don't have to do it after. So I know that we get bags number 1, 2 and 3 here for the lights, and we get some tweezers and a little brick separator too. There are many bags of bricks here in this set because we get 1,044 pieces. So there's quite a lot to put together. So I'll just tip it all out, and there's a base plate there. Can bend it here. It's really good quality. It's on par with Lego. These parts are really good. So we are going to take a look at the instructions. In the instructions they show you detailed step by step how to install the lights, because it can get a little bit tricky. There's all the different shades of colours you get in this set, and then here's all the detailed steps. So we will start with bag 1. I just need to test out all the mechanics inside the cliff, that I've put it all together properly and all the chains and everything. So you get to move the water around there, so that's cool. That's actually a really good effect. We're on to bag 4. Now I'm a little bit annoyed because look how many bag number 4s there are. So you have lots of parts everywhere. That's the only thing I don't like. So yes, there's lots of parts everywhere. They should have numbered it a little bit differently. At this stage we need to install just one of the LED lights. And I have to say these are very good quality wires and the lights are very bright. So this one just goes over here and then we just got to pull the cable through down the back. Another set of lights need to be installed here. So we get these strip of LED lights, more wires. So this is how it looks like, and then we get these little awning flaps. There's the strip of LED lights, and that just needs to sit over here. And then these little orange lights here on the side are for like the flickering flames. So I thought that's like a really nice touch. The lights are a bit fiddly. I will hook them on. There we go. And you got to be very careful you don't squish the wires. So you need to feed it through that little hole there, through the headlight. Bag 2 of the lights now. We get quite a few wires here and lots of strips and plates to put them on. So they're the ones that go underneath. And we will be putting it up here. So I'll feed that wire through and just pop the castle on top of the cliff. And I need to work out where all these wires are, so they all need to hang here. I like how many lights are included in this set, so it has a really nice effect when you do turn everything on. It does look very, very good. But I need to work out where to place them all because on the instructions it's not too clear. But I think later on I'll be able to work it out. So I noticed I missed a few parts down here, these tiles. So that's easy to put on, no biggie. And then one more slope up here. I missed that while I was building, but very simple to fix. Now I've got all these wires to connect to my little battery pack. So here it is. There's the little bit where you plug everything into. Now, I'm not sure about the battery pack. I like that it's all attached, but I don't think there's enough studs to actually hold it in place. It is quite heavy. And while I've been trying to attach it, like I've pushed it and then I've pushed the panel in. So yeah, it's actually see, it keeps falling off, and I've had to poke that in and build it and unplug it and do all that. But anyway, so I've worked that out. So let's see how it looks like when you move all the waves, and the little sword is supposed to go up and down. Mine hasn't. I will have a look. But I do love all that rock detail. It really does look like a little castle on the cliff. There is so much detail. I need to work out how to tidy up these wires. I will do that. But I'm just so excited about looking at everything at the moment. This model has so many details in it. The Fun Hole Castle on the Cliff. This set is absolutely beautiful. I know, I need to tidy up these wires. I love the look of it. Everything about it I really enjoyed. The lights, my video just doesn't do it justice. It actually looks really beautiful lit up. The LED lights are so bright. I really, really love this set. I had so much fun building it. I love that it's got extra mechanics in it. This is not an 8+ set. This is definitely, you got to be 16 and over, unless you're like really, really into Technic Lego. Yeah, like I really like it. It's a beautiful display piece. I would give this set an 8 out of 10, simply because bags number 4, there was too many parts in the bags, and it really makes building difficult that way. And just that battery pack needs to be attached a little bit differently. But all in all, this is a fantastic set. Definitely worth having a look at.